Hi guys, how are you doing? Let's start our lesson. Today's our lesson is about cycling. Have you got a bike? Do you like cycling? What do you know about safe cycling? Today's our new theme is smart rules to cycle safely. Let's listen and remember these words.
Accident, accident. Brake, brake. Chain, chain. Hand signal, hand signal.
Headphones, headphones.
Helmet, helmet.
Knee pad, knee pad. Loose clothes, loose clothes.
Protect, protect. Reflective belt, reflective belt. Reflector, reflector. Regularly, regularly. Respect, respect. Tire, tire.
Let's listen and repeat after me. Accident. Brake. Chain. Hand signal. Headphones. Helmet. Knee pad. Loose clothes. Protect. Reflective belt. Reflector. Regularly. Respect. Tire. Yes, you are right. Very good. Thank you. The next, let's open your books, page 104. Then look at these pictures and listen to the text.
Smart rules for cycling safely. Cycling can be lots of fun. You can cycle alone or with your friends. Many people like mountain biking too. You can leave the city behind and enjoy the beauty of nature. But you must always remember to stay safe. Here are some good ideas to help you cycle safely. First, always wear a helmet to protect your head. Make sure the helmet fits you so that it doesn't fall off. Also, never wear a hat under your helmet. Next, lights are very important. Your bike needs to have lights and reflectors so that other drivers can see you. You shouldn't wear loose clothes or listen to music through headphones. Also, gloves and knee pads are a good idea. Finally, when you ride your bike in the city, you must respect road signs. Use hand signals to tell drivers what you intend to do. You mustn't ride too close to cars, especially parked cars. People open car doors suddenly, and that can be very dangerous. Always remember to keep your bike in good condition. You have to check the brakes, tyres and chain regularly.
So, the next. After listening the text, do the exercise 3. Read the text and mark the sentence true or false. Okay, there are 5 sentences below. Let's do this task. So, the next task. Which sentence from the text describes the pictures? Then use the pictures. Tell the class how you can cycle safely. The next task. Exercise 5. Use words from the check these words box. To complete the sentence, use your dictionary. There are 4 sentences below. So, exercise 6. Put the verbs in brackets into the to infinitive or ing form. You know, yes, to infinitive or ing form. For example, Dave really enjoys going for bikes or to go for bikes. Which is correct? Please do this exercise and send me your answers. So, after this task, you have to do a listening task. Okay, pay attention please, listen carefully. Listen to Steve talking to Jane about buying a new bike. Then, for questions below, choose the correct word.
Hi Steve, have you still got your BMX bike?
Yes, but I'm getting a new one for my birthday. I found the one I like. It's called BX20.
That's great, but I love your silver one.
Me too, but it's very old now.
What's the new one like? Is it silver too?
No, it's black. There isn't a silver one. There's a blue one, but I prefer the black one.
Which shop is it in?
Bradford's bike shop in Bingley. I looked in the shop in Carlton Village, but the bikes were really expensive there.
Yes, I know. Is it on Station Street, the main shopping street?
Yes, it is. It's number 38, on the corner with Clifton Road, just opposite the Treetop Shopping Centre.
Oh yes, I know. I might go and have a look. I'd like a new bike for my birthday too.
Oh, well go soon because the shop has a sale this month. The bike I like was £150, but now it's only £100.
That's good. Good bikes usually cost about £200.
I know. Also, you get a £20 gift voucher to spend in the shop when you buy a bike there. My friend bought a bike there and he got some knee pads and some gloves. I think I want to get a helmet.
Oh, that's great.
Please do this task, and after this task you have to do the speaking task. Student A, you are from the UK. Read the following information and be ready to answer student B's question. There are some rules about motorcycle. To ride a motorcycle in the UK, the first, have to be at least 70 years old. The second, have to have a license. The third, must display L plates as a learner. The fourth, have to wear a helmet. The fifth, must not carry more than one person on the back. Is it carefully? Student B asks questions to student A to find out about riding a motorcycle in the UK. Ask about age, license, plates, helmet, people on the back. Okay, let's ask questions. Your home task, I will give you this crossword puzzle and complete this puzzle about cycling. Okay, what is the missing word? The first, you need this to stop when you are cycling. What is this? Next, there are lots of safety tips you can follow to stop this happening. The third, you must wear this to protect your head. Next, the fourth, you must wear this. You wear this to protect your knees. The fifth, this makes your wheels go around when you pedal. You must put oil on it and check it regularly. Next, the sixth, you must switch this on at night so drivers can see you. Switch this. Next, the seventh, you wear this on your hands to protect them. So, let's find this word. Which word is missing? Please do this task and send me your answers. Okay, the lesson is over. Goodbye. See you soon.